I'm Phil Clegg, Manufacturing Engineering Manager here at Texecom. Today I'm pleased to share how our upgraded compressor system is making a big impact. Our new variable compressors use energy as we produce air, which means we've drastically reduced energy waste while still delivering great performance and quality. The system provides cleaner, drier compressed air to essential equipment like our pick and place machines, testers and vacuum generators. This upgrade ensures everything runs clean, reliable and efficiently. We've also added on-demand nitrogen generators to the setup, which enhances the repeatability and quality of our soldering process. This means we're not only cutting down on energy use, but also improving the overall compressed air quality used in our manufacturing. At Texecom, we're committed to cleaner, more efficient operations, and this upgrade is just one step towards that goal.